blonde.
We're going to the cabin
We're going to
right
the
now.
cabin.
We're going to see Papa for a minute and pick up some stuff, and then we're going to go back to where we were. Yes. Some what now?
He don't want her to go up by the deer blind. He's got his feed stuff out there. I'll get that deer blind. I don't think I can get it. No. I have to get it next time. There's Jessica. She's the reason we're going to the cabin because she got pee. She don't pee outdoors. Oh, look at them. They are so cute. She getting on the street, really? He lets her ride on the road?
Yeah, just the cabin's not far.
And
We're
he's
on
right
this country
there.
road. You don't rarely ever meet anybody that you don't know.
They look so cute. They just look so cute.
He's like, let me check this real quick.
He got distracted. Ooh, something shiny. I gotta see what that is. She's all like, I don't want to see. She told me she don't like riding her littler four-wheeler, but she wrecked it once, and so she don't like it.
This one has more power than the other one. What does she know?
I know, I told her. She's like, well, this one I just haven't had a wreck on, so I'm good.
Yeah.
I don't want to ride that one.